Dear friend, please allow me to introduce Keylink Microwave brand new broadband high-power amplifier system KB0840S48A. It covers frequency from 800 MHz to 4 GHz with 100 watts output power. You can see the specification from our distributed datasheet or from our website www.keylinkmw.com. We take this video to demonstrate basic function effects, and here we mainly focus on two most important functions: auto level control and auto gain control. First, let's have a look at the front and back panel. At the front panel, we have LCD display, buttons, rotary knob, and indicator light. At back panel, we have control interface and power supply. Now let's look at the ALC function. Step 1. Choose ALC function. Step 2. Press F2 button to start adjusting ALC power level. Step 3. Set the desired output power by rotate knob. For example, to 49 dB. Step 4. Open signal generator and change the input power from -20 dB to 10 dB, and you can see the output power is stable from 48.5 dB to 49.5 dB. Next, let's move on to the AGC function. Press F1 to choose AGC function. Press F2 and adjust gain by rotary knob. You can see the curves in the VNA. Then you can get about 30 dB dynamic range.